Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a bird with clay. I just start by making a ball with my hands, and afterwards I just start to shaping it with my fingers. It's really easy. You just push the tail and then make a small round shape around its face. And after you have the basic shape, you just keep on modeling it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to use 2 acrylic paints on it, a brownish one and a salmon one. And I just paint it very roughly. I like to see the clay beneath. And for that I just take the excess of paint with the paper. And here it is, the final result, next to another bird that I've made before. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.